This is the Sony DCR-TRV900, one of the most iconic camcorders of the late 90s. Released in 1998, it was one of the first consumer cameras to feature a 3 CCD sensor system, capturing red, green, and blue light separately for more accurate color and better image quality. It records onto MiniDV tapes and shoots in standard definition, but at the time, its footage looked close to professional level video. The TRV900 also includes a 12-time optical zoom, optical image stabilization, and full manual controls like focus and exposure, making it a favorite for indie filmmakers and enthusiasts. It also has a 3.5-inch flip-out LCD screen, a color viewfinder, and Firewire connectivity for transferring footage directly to a computer. Even today, people still use it for its unique DV look and solid, reliable build. A true classic that helped bridge the gap between consumer and professional video. So, let's head out, get some footage, and see what it looks like.